Welcome back. Today we'll do a quick walkthrough for our appraiser users. We're going to walk through the property valuation, grid report, and finally our desktop appraisal. I'll start here with a regular valuation. Our parcel number and legal, we'll get off county records. Narrow that down. That's a better number. There's our comparables. Low, mid, and high. Here's our valuation. Our comparables again. Our map and reference numbers. And our graph. Okay, we'll move on to creating our grid report. Add these comps in. Okay, we can see here our subject. It's added our comps in. We can see on comp number 1, our adjustments are a little higher than the rest. So let's go ahead, reposition that. That should rearrange those. Looks better. If the comp you want to use is not on there, you can add a custom comp in with a different quality or condition, or the same quality and condition. We can add that in here. Add comp will insert it into this list, and also give you a balloon on the map to show you where that's located at. And you can once again adjust that up and down as you wish. All right, when you have the grid report where you want it, Save and download. Take a look at that. Here's our grid report, how it appears in this format. After you save and download, this green Create Appraisal Report button pops up. Go ahead and click on that. And here's our desktop appraisal report. As of now, this is the only report that is in Crossroads. Other reports are in development, but have not been entered in yet. You can see there's different colors here. Anywhere that you enter information in here, any other place that the client name is referenced in the form will be filled out once you fill it out once here. So don't worry about filling out the client name multiple times. Once you get it in there once, it should appear. Same with all of the other fields. See that some information is loaded from our valuation report. Some is not. Some we have to add in. Our opinion of value. If we go back to our valuation, we use our mid-range value here of 224,000. This is where you put your information in. See that file number and client number have moved in here. Any of these areas in yellow, there has been information preloaded in, but if you click in, they are editable. If you'd like to add different information in, your signature, choose your signature here. When you choose your signature, there is a signed date and timestamp associated with that signature. And also, that is also the effective date of the appraisal. Down here is the place for your license number and the expiration number for that license. This explains that this is a restricted appraisal report. This is the area where the property valuation and grid report that we did earlier will be inserted in the final report. Here, there's room for more information. You can see these red boxes with the asterisk. That indicates that that's required information for this form. Fill out what we need to here. It's about your reconciliation. Once again, we need to enter in that number here. That was 224,000. Your neighborhood description may need to be changed for your particular neighborhood. Scope of work may as well. Land values, privacy notice, appraiser certification. This is also editable. Signature. In this area, we can introduce our subject photos. They can either be dragged and loaded, or you can search your computer and load from your files. There we go. And at the end here, any supporting documents or other PDFs can be chosen or drag and drop into your final report. Once you're done, go ahead and generate appraisal report. And here's how your final report will look. Your valuation report is entered in, and your grid report is added in. All the information that you entered. Explanation of the Crossroads interactive valuation model. This explains how data is analyzed and entered into our database, and then how the program uses that data to value the property. And the photos are loaded here at the end. Since the photos vary in size, it is formatted to do one photo per page. And if there was any other supporting documents or PDFs, they would be loaded after this page. And that is our restricted desktop appraisal report in Crossroads. Thank you for your time.